Hello and thank you for joining us. My name is Haley. This video will cover the Turbo XE series. The turbo units are our most popular and versatile products. Serving numerous applications, they are available in a variety of voltages and have many optional accessories. Let me show you how they atomize water to create that incredible fog. Water is fed under ordinary pressure to the blade assembly where it enters a reservoir. The blade's rotation divides the water into internal passageways that extend the length of each blade. The water exits near the end of each blade where it meets a pin venturi at high speed to complete the atomization. Take a look. The result is very fine atomization with one moving part and no nozzles. The powerful airflow generated speeds up evaporation and aids in circulation. In short, our foggers use a simple but cost-effective process that offers many advantages. Here, you can see the Turbo XE's UV stabilized housing, water inlet tubing, drain line connection, industrial grade washdown duty motor, supported by a stainless steel frame assembly that features a secure pivot adjustment system. To change the fogging trajectory, release one lock and rest it in the neutral position. While supporting the unit, lift the second lock and pivot the unit to your desired position. There are 4 positions: 5 degrees upward, horizontal, 7 degrees down, and 14 degrees down. Once positioned, re-engage both locks. Turbo XEs are available in both domestic and overseas voltages, and systems can be customized to fit your organization's specific needs. A standard equipped unit includes 12 feet of SJO power cord with a liquid tight connector, 20 feet of water supply tubing, 16 feet of drain tubing for wastewater control, stainless steel hardware for hanging, and the all-important flow meter panel, which controls fogging output. The flow meter panel features a flow rate scale, needle valve flow control, and an inline strainer. Flow meter panels are available in different sizes. Our website sizing calculator and sizing charts are great resources for determining the correct size. Turbo XEs have options to fit almost every application: oscillators for sweeping units during operation, a watertight electrical plug, a hose connector, or control packages for automation, and a selection of supports and stands for installation. If your operation needs a serious atomizer with versatility and dependability, the Turbo XE series is the right choice for you. I hope this was helpful. In part 2 of this series, we operate the Turbo XE 2000 in our testing chamber under the lights at several different fogging outputs, so check it out. Thank you for watching.